This video is how to buy insurance for your mental health counseling business. I'm going to walk you through the beginning of the process, step by step through the end, so that you can end up with a product that's competitive. Let's get into it. The first step for any mental health practice is to figure out who you're going to buy insurance from. If you are a smaller practice, if you're one to two people and you're looking for something quick and easy, I recommend you go online. Go to HBSO, go to Bybert, go to Hiscox. You'll be done in 15 minutes and you can move on. Now, if you are a larger practice, or maybe you have school-based counseling, or you offer telehealth and you need more professional guidance, what you're looking for is an independent insurance broker that's going to help you identify the companies you need to talk to, negotiate with them, show you the options, and help you get the best deal. And so if that's what you're looking for, start by finding the broker you want to work with. Now, once you have made the determination who you're going to work with, now you are in the information gathering phase. And here's a list that you should be putting together. You should have copies of your current policies because that's going to be a key part of negotiating with underwriting, is showing them what you've had in the past. Two, you're going to need to know the coverages that you want. And I've created a video, Counseling Practice Insurance 101, that can help you make those determinations. So you can go in with a list and say, I want this, I want this, I want this. Three, you're going to need loss runs. These are reports showing any claims you've had on your insurance policies in the past. Underwriters use this to determine how profitable of an account you'll be going forward. If you go in without that information, you're just going to have a hard time getting underwriters to pick up your file. Fourth, you're going to need to be able to talk about revenues, and you're going to need to be able to break that down by the type of service you're offering. So is it individual? Is it group? Is it telehealth? Are you doing school-based? How much is it for older individuals? How much is it for youth? Is any part of this with substance use disorder counseling? Those are the types of numbers you're going to need to be able to provide so that an underwriter can understand who you are and what you do, so they can charge you the appropriate premium or determine how much they want to charge. Next, you're going to need to be able to give a staff breakdown. Companies determine your professional liability premium based on the people you have on staff, the people you contract with, how many hours they work for you, and their level of credentials. It's one thing if you've got a peer support counselor. It's a totally different thing if you have a psychiatrist. So you have to be able to have that and break it down. And then I already alluded this, you're going to need to be able to provide the number of sessions that you have. Individual, group, telehealth, all of that. And it's all so the underwriter can measure your operations. Once you have all that together, now let's talk about timelines, because this is very important. One of the biggest pains that people feel about insurance is they feel like they get their renewals last minute. Now, the way you control that is you start the process with enough time. And most people do not give the process enough time in order to get the ideal results. You should be starting at least 90 days out, because here's how it's going to work. At 90 days, you're going to start collecting information. It's going to take you a couple weeks. Then you're going to send it to your broker. Broker's going to get everything together, going to send it over to underwriter. And now we're talking about 60 days before the renewal. Underwriter's going to say, well, it's 60 days. I'm going to sit on it for a little bit. And then it's going to be 2 to 4 weeks before you can actually get renewal terms. And what you want are renewal terms at least 2 to 4 weeks before your renewal, so that you can figure out if it's going to be competitive, if that's what you want to go with. You have time to think about it. What people don't like is when they get renewals 2 days before the renewal. So starting from the beginning, you got to go 90 days, start it, collect information, get it to brokers so they can get it to underwriting. And then it's all with the goal of having everything 2 to 4 weeks before the renewal, so you can sign it, get proof of coverage 2 weeks before, and you're moving on and you're not sweating out about it, and you feel like you're getting the best deal. And that's it. That's how you buy insurance for your mental health counseling practice. If you want to talk to me about your program, my contact information is going to flash up on the screen, or it's in the description of the video. Please reach out. I'd love to talk to you about it. If this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It helps other people like you find the content. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please go build something great.